Shred and Sparkle.
I'm Angelique and Liz. What's in store today?
What's in store today? Cardio intervals focusing on legs. No weights, but all legs.
All things that make us sparkle.
All yes. And every move, you might have done it before, but maybe not in this order, because every weighted strength leg move is going to have a corresponding plyometric move that goes with it.
Sounds amazing. And you're wondering, what is that?
What's a plyometric?
Yeah.
The plyometric is just when you load a muscle group and you explode off the ground, when you jump onto a box or you jump up and down or off the ground. And
all those words sound like they equal a great butt.
Yeah, exactly. They do, because they have great muscle recruitment. And I find that you don't bulk as much, but it helps build lean muscle without too much. So great for women. I love it. Perfect. All right, ready? So we're going to start with lunges, alternating our legs, stepping straight back, dropping the knee. And we're doing sets of 12. Drop down, always using the weight in your heel on the front leg to pull yourself back up. And I already don't know how many we've done.
6.
But you would think I've never done this before, because I've done it for 20 years. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we're going to do jumping lunges. Are you ready? Right leg's going to go back first. 1, 2, 3. Sink down. 4. Heart rate goes up. 6. Butt goes up. 7. 8.
Your legs are firm, both sides of the leg.
9. Yep.
Loving it.
10. 11. 12. Okay. We're going to left side step lunges. Stepping out, lunging. Glute goes back. Push off the floor. 2. Ready? Grab my butt. 5. 6, push. 7, 8, push. 9, push off that floor. 10, 11,
You don't need any weights.
no weights. We're going to touch, leap up, go to the other side. Ready? 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5. Different version of the same move. 6,
Blast off.
7, yep. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, regular lunge, parallel feet, hips go straight back, drop nice and low. 1, squeeze your glutes. 2,
Squeeze them up.
3, squeeze them. 4, 5, crack a walnut. 6, or was that 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I bet you can't guess what we're going to do. 11.
Are we jumping?
12. We're jumping. Down jump. Ready? 1, 2. Push your arms down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get up there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we're going to ski squat. Feet together. Squat back. Nice thing about the short intervals, down, is you can really go all out. Short.
And squeeze.
3, squeeze your butt. 4, 5, 6, squeeze those cheeks. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, touch on the floor, jumping straight up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Woohoo!
Yay.
All right, good job, guys.
Try it. Do it. Work it. Subscribe.
Follow, like. Thanks for watching.
Love ya.
Thanks for watching our videos. We
Come
love
again.
it. We'll see you next time.